So shopping for us has become a place where we're counting carbs, you know. Every single thing that we take up nowadays, we count in carbs. And again, you know, not all carbs are bad carbs, but you still have to monitor the amount of intake. You know, you can't, if you're going hard with heavy duty carbs for breakfast, for instance, you have to cancel out the amount that you do for lunch, and you have to cancel out the amount that you do for dinner. So you offset the amount of carbs that you use at any given interval. It's crazy, guys, you know, how important it is to monitor what you put in your body. You understand? Right now I'm in the supermarket and I am like, I'm almost upset, because when you start to check, guys, then you start to see the amount of hidden carbs, the amount of complex carbs, the amount of stuff that are being put in food and given to you to eat, all with a view for profit. And guess what? You're